gone away, the start of a brighter day. We have waited far too long. It's time to let it out. You know what it's about. I've waited all to feel the sun. The harder it gets, the faster we seem to fall in love. The deeper we fall, the more we lose control. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Keep your heart strong, 'cause it's almost here. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Yeah, the year of summer. The harder it gets, the faster we seem to fall in love. The deeper we fall, the more we lose control. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Keep your heart strong, 'cause it's almost here. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Yeah, the year of summer.
Hey, true, bet that up for the track. You gon' take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah. If you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, mommy. If you're pimping, you're stretching your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ahora que sí. All the mamas, put your thongs up and party with me. On the count of three, everybody claim where you're from. 1, 2, 3. The bottom, that's where I'm from. That's where I reside. That's what I represent till I die. Tuck your chains in, put your drinks down, and your sets up, and get wild for the night. Pitbull, ride the track smooth like a Lex truck. Mama, you got the next. Alright. Pick a low in the VIP with 4 fingers in the air, hollering for live. I'm the chico that'll put it down for his people. Get my hands on any and everything, but I always keep my hands clean. Cause Miami's full of dirty money and dirty things. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah. If you're ballin', buying bottles, then say, oh yeah, mommy. If you're pimping, you're stretching your ass is fat, then say, oh yeah, papi. If you're willing to fight till the night, then say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Mommy looked good from far, but when she got close, she was far from good, and I was like, oof. I got the vodka, Cuba's got the cranberry juice. Now it's time to get loose. Estos días para los marimberos que tienen más cadena que cuello. Con dinero y una panza que parece que se comieron el lechón entero. Así mames who messes with nothing but big timers who does to get her roll on, roll on. Asking me if I could get my hands on some vitamin E, and I was like, mommy, hold on. But she must have loved pop, cause she was grabbing me, telling me, Poppy, picture me rolling. So I pictured it, and it would have been a sight for the blind to see. So I gave it to her for free. Oh yeah, if you're broke but you're still pimping, drinking, smoking, then say, oh yeah, if you're ballin', say it again, I want all y'all to eat, but first me. Get it, got it, good. It's good that you got it, cause I got no time to be misunderstood. I don't know if it's the liquor that's got me lit, but damn, mommy's thicker than thick. If you like, roll the dollars, throw it up. If you like, then you know the routine. Roll that, like that, smoke that, puff, and pass that. Mommy, shake your ass, but watch yourself. Cause messing with me, you might end up in a movie, literally watching yourself. Starring you, boo, in the hit movie called Amtrak. So